My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing on a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it's right there, right next to me, right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, okay, so before we get to the main event, which y'all already see what the title is, you know, see the thumbnail and all that crazy stuff like that. Shout out to everybody that won the restock today for the Air Jordan 1, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I had 2 phones. I had my baby mother and my girl all tried. That's 4 separate devices. And we couldn't even, well, my girl got through, but she didn't hit. And then me, my 2 phones and my baby mother, we couldn't even get on. They wouldn't let me submit my payment. So it was a horrible shot drop today. It was just horrible. Like, it just was so bad, but it is what it is. I have a pair already. It's right over there. I just wanted a second pair, one to stock, one to rock, one to stock, whatever like that. And I might wind up buying a second pair later on. I don't need it right now because I'm not even gonna wear that pair right now. Is that 8.5? Yeah, it is 8.5. So everybody that did win the shop box, congratulations. I'm not a hater. I'm happy. Hopefully it's y'all that wanted y'all first pair of it, or if y'all wanted just to do what I want to do, just to rock one and then have one for later on, years later we can re-rock it again. Not resellers. I don't really support resellers and stuff like that, but it is what it is. All right, to the main event. Look at this giant box. Look at this giant box. Hopefully you don't see classic feet all in the camera. Come on, sit up. We don't want to see your feet. Well, look at this giant box, bro. What could this be? This might be the thumbnail. Hold up. This might be the thumbnail, like. Might do the thumbnails like that. But all right. Woo! We know what it is. We going straight to it.
With your bare hands?
I know that was dumb.
It is.
I don't know why I thought I was gonna be able to do it with my bare hands, but
I wonder what it's gonna look like.
Man, it's been a long time. I've been waiting for these forever. When you order it, it says 8 weeks. I'm pretty sure this is all. I mean, I know for a fact this is all on YouTube, so I know everybody did a review for this. But whatever, I don't care. I just want to show that I got it. There we go.
Oh my god.
Y'all like my new display of the Dior's or whatever like that? 100% legit. But yeah, got this from work. The display, my jaw's about to throw it away, so I was like, let me get that. So yeah, and I might put these in that, to be honest with you.
Let's see if it even fits.
That's true. It might not even. I think it will. I think it will. All right, box is open.
How big this is, I don't think it is.
Are we ready?
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
I had to stand up for this.
There we go. Box is open. Let's remove the paper. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Let's do it again.
That looks insane.
Oh, you know what? I gotta turn it around because it was actually the wrong way.
I saw the little logo.
Yeah, you saw the logo?
It was awesome.
There we go, right there.
Hold on, hold it open.
No, it's okay. We got it. Thank you, class. Matter of fact, we be right back. Hold up, get on me. I'll be right back. All right, we back. I had to get a little boomerang for Instagram. Anyway, y'all already seen what it was, but hey, yo.
That looks like.
Y'all know what it is. Oh, this box is huge, bro. Hold up. I don't want to mess up the box either. Hold up. We going. This box is huge.
Yeah, I don't think that the shoe can fit in that.
I think so. All right, let's go get on back on the bed. We good. All right. Woo! Damn.
That looks awesome.
Maybe this should be the thumbnail. Like. It's like, but all right. Let's open this up. You see the logo right there? Right there, you got that. See the logo right? Yeah, it does. Look, it's a little. It's almost like a 3D printed. Not 3D printed, but it's like it feels like it's like 3D. Okay. Whew. Man, this is insane.
No information?
They don't really got none on the website. But this takes a lot to even open. No, I got a classic. Cause I want the camera. I want the video to be perfect. I almost got it. There we go.
Oh, just.
Woo! That smell. That smell is.
Whoa, I love
that
too.
That new smell. That rubber smell. Oh.
It smells good.
Okay. Boom. We're gonna put this right here. As you can see, so I think this is pronounced MSCHF. Yeah, MSCHF. If I'm not mistaken. You see MSCHF, the rapper, all right here with the name of it. No information. Thank you for asking. No class. No information. Y'all know what this is by now. Just the big red boots. So.
Oh my. Super Mario, the red.
Yeah. So. Let's take that out right there. We're not gonna throw that away. And it comes with a MSCHF card, pendant. That's what it say on the other side. Pendant. Y'all gonna have to excuse me if my nails was a little bit dirty. I just got off work. But all right, I'm gonna go take one out. Woo, hey yo. These things are and this is a size 9. There is no labels or nothing. Suggested retail price was $350. I think with tax it came like $4 something, $4.25. I can't really remember how much I paid. Wow, hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna take both of them out because we gotta get my actual thumbnail. Let's see if we can get the box too. You got everything?
Yeah.
All right. I was about to say 3, 2, 1 like you're taking a picture, but this is gonna be a thumbnail right here, like. Cool. All right. Anyway, this is a size 9. They did not come in half sizes. I'm not even gonna try this on because I don't want to. Trying it on is going to de-ess it. See the missions on the bottom. And we know a lot of people that wear this boot. Astro Boy. I don't watch Astro Boy. Who else? Someone said boots from Dora the Explorer. Like that. So
Mega
the hype,
Mega Man?
Kinda. I guess you could say Mega Man. I guess so. Yeah. The hype on these was crazy when they first dropped. Like the hype was crazy, but again, it took 8 weeks to get here. That's the crazy thing about it. The hype is 100% down now. I saw when they first was about to drop, people was selling for like $1,500. They just wanted to be the first ones with it. Now I think they going for like either retail or below retail. I see people selling for like maybe like $100 over. So they're very attainable right now. I like mine, man. I'm wearing mine to my mother's wedding. But it does come with a whole bunch of paper. Oh no, actually that's just the top. Just the paper for the top. I guess to keep this loop fresh. And it says size 9 in there. I don't think you can be able to get that.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, you got that? Got that side? Good job, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's no really information I can give. Classic asks, like, no information? Nothing really I can give. It's a big red boot. Like, what more can you really say? This is insane. This is insane, people. Rubber, it's got some weight to it. I do want to try it on, but I'm not. Because I heard it is hell to get this boot off. We're not even gonna try. I should try this on. I'm not gonna sell it, so why not try it on? And do it fit? No, I don't think it. No, I don't. It don't. It don't fit in there. No. Yeah. I think if it didn't have this, it would. But I really want to try this on.
Just try it on.
I want to try it on.
Just do it.
But it's gonna be hard to get it off. Like,
I'll help.
I know, but who gonna record? Like Harlem not here. I'm gonna try it on.
Yeah, let's try it
I'm
on.
gonna try it on. I'm gonna try it on, people. Hold on, I gotta pull my pants leg up. Okay, I got it on. It wasn't that hard.
That looks huge.
Hey, yo. This is crazy. So, hey, Y'all got an on feet. I haven't done an on feet in years, but because I don't like to really un-DS my stuff. But this is just me trying on. I'm gonna put both on me. We're gonna put both of them on, people. And like I said, it's not like these are I'm gonna resell them, so they're mine anyway. So wear your shoes, people. Here we go. We got hey.
It looks like you can run in there.
I can. I feel like I'm a superhero or something like that. So let's move this out the way. So, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you all a 360 on feet review. I'll be right back. All right, okay. So that was my on feet. Y'all saw the on feet. Now let's see how hard this is to take off. I might take them off camera, but let's just see if I can get off by myself. I got them off by myself. Hold up. Yay! So it's not as hard as people made out to be. Yep, still look new. Perfect. Put that back in there. Boom. That's one. Okay, the right foot is a little bit harder than the left, but it's not that hard. I got it off. Got it off. Yeah, my full clean, people. So anyway, yeah, boy, that's pretty much it. That's the big red boots, man. I know a lot of y'all like Tune, like you crazy for that one, but I had to get them, people. I had to get them. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this. Y'all think it was just a hype train, which 100% really it was. Y'all think it was worth it? Worth the money? I mean, y'all know me, I like stuff, so I buy what I like. So comment below. Classic 1 to 10. What you giving it?
10.
You give it a 10?
This is awesome.
I'm giving it a 10. I'm giving it a 10. Me and Classic are on the same page because it's fun, people. It's fun. Like, I think a lot of people, the comments I was reading, it was just so, you don't gotta be that serious. Like, some people was like, oh, this is dumb and blah, 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 and why would you waste your money? Because we can. Like, now I do not condone anybody taking their bill money, their food money, anything of importance to buy shoes. No. But if you got the money to spend it, spend it. You can't take it with you. You know, tomorrow is not promised. So enjoy your money, splurge. As long as you're taking care of your family and yourself, that's all that matters. So, I mean, Classic got food in his stomach. He good. Classic got clothes on his back. So does his brother. So do I. So we're good over here. So I'm definitely gonna spend my money. But me and Classic both giving this a 10.
Yes.
So we like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the big red boots in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing the whole Tunes Kicks. And the whole team, represent Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. Excuse me, I apologize. Y'all know what to do. Have a nice day.